Thanks for appreciating my video lectures and suggesting me topics. Now I am starting series of video lecture on theorem. In this series I will cover superposition theorem, Thevenin theorem, maximum power transfer theorem. Warm welcome from Bhagyashree. I hope you learn theorems and how to solve examples and cross-check answer using multisim software. Before starting superposition theorem, please observe circuit shown in PPT. This is simple Opamp circuit having inverting terminal input V1 and non-inverting terminal input V2. As we know, Opamp is linear. That's why its circuit is linear. Output is depend on V1 and V2. For doing analysis, first analyze the effect of input V1 and then effect of second input V2. Means we have requirement of theorem or rule which gives simple procedure to find the resultant answer. Similarly, this circuit shows example of Opamp application or basics application we are using such as adder, subtractor, integrator, differentiator. If you observe all application, we are measuring effects of input on output or effects of different input sources to components connected in circuit. Now recall that Opamp is active device and resistor, capacitor and inductor are passive devices. So superposition can apply on active and passive components in network. Next important circuit is bridge circuit. Is used in various application analysis required for bridge network is balanced and unbalanced condition. Superposition theorem can use in all this circuit to analyze the resultant effect of voltage and current for two or more than two sources in network or circuit. Always remember that superposition theorem is used only for linear network. The statement for superposition theorem is the current through or voltage across any element of a network is equal to the algebraic sum of currents or voltages produced independently by each source. In other words, this theorem allows us to find a solution for a network. In other words, this theorem allows us to find a solution for a current or voltage using only one source at a time. Once we have the solution for each source, we can combine the results to obtain the total solution. Application of superposition theorem are analyze networks. Those are having two or more sources that are not in series or parallel. Because if sources are series or in parallel, no requirement of different analysis is required. Sources can be AC or DC. Before starting problem solving, always remember 2 points. First, when removing voltage source, resultant circuit is having internal resistance of voltage source. Short circuit is replaced by voltage source as shown in figure. And second point, when removing current source, resultant circuit is having internal resistance of current source as it is open circuit is replaced by current source as shown in figure. Most of the time we think that we have to solve maximum number of problems to understand theorem. But it's very important that first categorize the types of problem statement and memorize the procedure to solve these problems. So in next time you observe that only the values are changed and using same step you can solve any example. First type of problem have either voltage source or current sources. In this condition, always check resultant current direction is same or different. In second category, circuit is having one voltage source and one current source. And last and special category is a bridge network. So these are the three important problems types we have to solve to expert in a superposition theorem problem solving. I hope you understand the superposition theorem and application. Don't forget to watch next video lecture to learn how to solve numerical. Bye. Happy learning.